go. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, fam. It's Ashley in the building. It's your girl Ash, and I am back with another video. Today, I am reacting to Morissette Amon. She is covering the legendary Mariah Carey, "Fly Like a Bird." Oh my God, like that song is legendary. Mariah is legendary, and we all know Morissette can sing, okay, yes, she can sing her butt off. I'm just super duper excited. Big shout out to everybody in the Philippines. Big shout out to my crew, my team, T gang. Enough of me talking. Let's get into this reaction. Okay, I love this song. Hold on, I love the fact that she's showing her personality. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead, girl. All right.
Somehow I know that there's a place in heaven. Though my heart is struggling, free from all the trust that is and suffering. Because I feel unconditional love. The one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you no longer, carry me high to...
I'm excited. She's having so much fun singing this song. Listen, I don't think you guys, this came out in like 2000 and something, or early 2000s. On, I forget which album it was. This song is like, I love this song. Oh my gosh. Yes, Morissette Amon. Have fun, girl. And I'm loving the black and white. Okay, all
so cold, I pray you come and carry me home. How can we recover? Will the world ever be
go ahead, girl.
a place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality?
She's singing this song. Y'all better be hyped with me. Y'all better be hyped with me. Okay? Let's go, Morissette.
If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high, turn out the world, break midnight, believe in strength of you by my side. Sometimes it's like can't be so cold to pray you come and carry me home.
Go ahead, girl. Go ahead, girl. Oh my God. I'm misreacting, guys. I do. Oh my goodness. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead. Go ahead. Have fun, girl. Sing that song. Yes. Can't wait for them high notes.
I need you. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head
Wait. I know y'all gonna kill me. Don't kill me. She about to hit them high notes. She about to hit them high notes. Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh, look at the goosebumps. Look at the Morissette. Morissette. You did that. You did. No. I don't think you guys understand. She just did that. She did that. Mariah, I love you. I love Fly Like a Bird. It helps me get through a lot of things. But this is officially Morissette's song. It's a rap. Point blank period. I said what I said. Morissette, you killed it. My Filipino sister, you killed it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm like, I'm so excited. I need more. I want more. Like, go ahead, girl. You did your thing. You did your thing. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction because, like always, I enjoyed reacting and giving you guys content. Make sure you comment down below, like, share, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, fam.